Sa tingin ko nakadikit sa SM tong. Ito yung harap ng SM. Sa gilid pala to.
SM?
Yeah.
SM.
Na.
Kuya, we're going na.
This is the ano na yata oh.
Fix your ano na.
Fix yourself. Get your sleeper.
This is where the birthday I waits.
Ito na yun talaga.
Yun pala, may yung tuktok.
Ito na yun, oh, sure. Laki pala oh. Wow. Dito lang ba yung drop off, sir?
Pasok ko sa loob.
Kasi po.
Pasok tayo sa may ano, Miami Tower, no?
Apo.
Sige, para maambon eh. Ano nyo na lang sa guard ah.
Sige po.
May QR code. Asan yung QR?
Dito. Pakita mo. Nasa screenshot.
Saan dito?
There was a
Miami Tower.
Wow.
It's
So
Okay na. Thank
it's
you.
Hello's birthday.
no, you don't have to say it to all people. Kuya. It's just exclusive.
They have a pool, right?
Yeah, they do. Parang mall din siya sa baba. Ayun.
Oh, I
Sure.
saw it.
That one is the pool.
Ito yata yung sinasabi nilang may Little Boracay ah.
Opo.
Ito yun no?
Opo.
This is it.
Maldives pala to. Kala ko ito yung...
Pero ewan ko lang kung maganda pa rin ngayon.
Eh, Pap.
Kasi yung nakita namin ng vlog.
Hey, Papa, what do we
Medyo
get
ano
to
na
do
eh.
in the zoo town?
Just gonna sleep tonight and then tomorrow we're gonna go to the pool.
Kasi it's ano, it's...
It's already evening, it's late night.
Anong tower?
Parang ano talaga siya.
Ito yung Positano.
Parang isa siyang malaking subdivision na condo, no?
Ito po, Miami.
Ito yung Miami po.
Miami.
Yung...
Bingo.
Bingo. Get your sleepers ko. ID mo?
ID mo.
Hello sir, good afternoon. Do you have answer expecting visitor?
Sir, pag nagpag-grade ka ba
Hi, Kuya. Look at that chair. So nice. Carry that bag, ah. Yung aming building, Miami. Maganda kasi daanan sa tapat mismo. Yun nga lang, maulan ngayon. Ito yung parang taas, pero dahil malakas yung hangin, pasok pa rin yung ulan dito. Pero maganda siya kasi daanan mismo. Dito na yung lobby.
So,
Check-in na agad. Hindi mo na kailangan maglakad na malayo. Uy, no. There's ano kuya, here, cellphone. Don't drop it. No. Wow! Ala, binunot niya na. Let's go. 18. Grabe, taas.
also live here because there's so much.
Kung di ka sanay,
Ah.
hindi ka sanay sa mataas na ano, nakakatakot.
Maybe I need a little.
18, no? 18th floor.
Oh wait, that's not.
Ay, tinanggal na yung ano, ribbon sa'yo.
Tinanggal niya.
Hit floor 18.
May malaking cellphone dito. Pwede ka magpa-ads pala, oh. Ooh. There you are. On the floor.
Wow. I don't want to fall there.
That's so
How?
high. That's where we checked in, oh. Yan, oh. Grabe. Kakalula. Boy.
This place is nice.
Kakalula.
Oh.
Grabe. Can you bring this, kuya? Come here.
Let's explore the birthday of Hallel. She's
Yep.
gonna love it. She's gonna. Oh, so is it? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Ayaw.
Wait.
Walang ilaw.
Even comes with a TV. Look at that.
Wow.
We need our slippers here.
Yeah.
To leave it there para ano.
Where?
We can need our slippers here or not.
Oh, nice. Ang bango na, oh.
Nice. Oh, it even comes with creamer.
Late tayo naka-check-in, ano? Alas 4 na.
Wow, it even comes with a table.
So, pang dalawahan lang
it
siya,
even
pero
comes with a table.
nag-add kami ng mattress.
Nag-request ako ng additional.
These are really bouncy beds, aren't they?
On mo yung AC. Sa maliit na table.
It kind of looks like
May tubig.
Ground Hotel.
Itong... Wow, kompleto. Ito yung maganda dito, kompleto talaga. May blender pa.
Cool. Just how you live in here.
Siyang...
It's really cool.
Meron pa siyang, ano... Ang tawag din?
These are. Oh, look.
Pareho ng ano natin, microwave.
Sure.
Tapos... Fridge.
What else do they got?
Uy!
Look.
May TV.
Ito
Wow.
yun.
These are really.
At
Big!
They have water. We don't
Sabi ko
need.
na may water. Yung gamit, balikan mo na.
Oh my gosh. I can't.
Paano ko ano yung icing?
sabi dito, please refrain from touching this as it is for the next guest. If you use this bed sheet, there will be a 300 pesos charge as it is reserved for the next guest. Thank you. So, hindi siya pwede galawin itong bed sheet. So, kung ano lang yung nakalabas. So, saan natin lalagay yung gamit natin? Wala siyang lagayan ng
Look at
gamit.
this place.
So, bag lang talaga.
Gusto ko ng ano, ng coat.
Dito. Meron dito sa gate.
Ano saan?
Huwag ko lang ito.
Maybe I should be.
Pero asan na yung mga unan?
Wait, maybe we should look. Look.
Yan na lang
maybe
siguro,
come
kasama
with
na.
a table and chairs.
Ay, hindi. Ito pala. Ito yung
Oh my gosh.
Ito.
Tapos,
Ito yung additional na hiningi ko na ano. Ito yung beddings, tapos ito yung additional na...
towel. Ang liit lang ng lugar, ano, pero ang ano niya, cozy niya tingnan. Dahil sa design.
Let's see the balcony. Paano yung AC?
Oh my gosh, it's an aircon.
Kuya, watch for halal. Watch out for halal.
Hindi naman kasi naka-on.
Ayun.
TV. Buksan mo yung ano.
Wow! Ang ganda ng ano.
I didn't expect that high.
Wait lang po. Kuya, wait lang.
Oh my gosh. I did
Wait
not
lang,
expect that high. Oh my gosh. I don't want
Pakade,
Wet outside.
Pakdelikado naman pala, no?
Hindi naman.
even though I can't.
Parang tatakot ako eh.
There you go.
Careful, kuya, ha? Wait lang, wait.
Cool view. Don't go down there.
Saan yung pool?
Ayun doon.
Ay, malayo tayo sa pool. Ah, ayun, nasa baba yung pool. Ayun yung beach. Wow. Grabe, ang taas.
Hey, come.
Kakatakot. Nalulula ako. Ayan, so we'll spend our next 2 nights here. Okay, chill muna kasi medyo stress tayo sa pag-impake.
Chill muna.
Chill muna.
Kape muna.
My gosh.
This one is...
Grabe. 1 hour travel from...
Ano tayo ng phone?
Ayaw kong tumira sa ganito eh. Mahirap.
Cooper.
Yung, tira mo yung mating niya oh. Yung mating niya parang buong ano. What's that? Who's this?
Vinyl.
Dito vinyl, parang buong ano siya.
Uy, lagyan na
Only
natin.
one way to find out.
Wave na.
Parehas.
Same.
Ano nang ginagawa dyan ng bata? Hala ka! Hala! Hala!
Wow. Slow horses.
Hala ka dyan! Malamig dyan! Labas yan?
This horse is cute.
Yeah! We'll spend your birthday here, baby. Gusto mo dyan? Ha?
Who's happy? Who's happy? Who's happy? Who's happy? Who's happy? Who's happy?
Mamaya kami
Alin! Tingnan natin yung CR. Ito yung CR nila. Hindi na gumagana yung exhaust. Then, ito yung toilet. Ito yung sliding door. Shower. Maliit lang talaga siya. 30 square meter lang ito lahat. Kabuuan ng unit. So, yun. Tapos may telepono. Ito lang naman. So, dito pala sa Azure, may host pala yung mga may-ari ng condo dito. Pinaparentahan nila yung... Pasensya na kayo, baby, umiiyak. pinaparentahan nila yung mga unit nila.
I'm gonna tell you one more thing. Oh, it's not a bathroom.
Yep. So, ito yung nakuha namin. So, ito yung nakakatransact namin sa Agoda. So, sa Agoda to, Han, ano? Yan. So, napaka cute ng lugar and ganda nung ano, medyo gamit na yung mga gamit nila. So, ilang years na rin kasi ito eh. Kaya,
I'm not sure the going. You can only use it
ang ganda siguro na ito nung bago pa, no?
like this.
For 30 square meter. Stig. Ganda. Yan. See you sa ating next vlog, guys. Dito sa Azure.
This floor.
So, don't forget to subscribe. Bye, baby!